Hello and welcome to IELTS Test Online. Thanks for watching our tour video. We have been helping students just like you achieve IELTS success since 2006, and in this video we'd like to show you a little about our course. As a member, you will have instant access to the complete online course. The course is clearly divided into 10 different units, so you can see your skills improve as you work through the resources. There are over 100 lessons in the complete course, each with a clear focus on a specific IELTS skill. You can follow your progress easily throughout the course, using the lesson progress indicators. You can also see how much more you need to do to complete each unit, and you will get a notification every time you complete a unit. The lessons are built on our unique 3-step learning program, starting with the essential vocabulary for the lesson, then moving on to the learning resources with video presentations and practice exercises. The lessons then end with an end-of-lesson review to make sure you have learned everything. In addition, every member is assigned a support tutor who will be there to guide you and answer any questions as you work through the course. As well as the essential IELTS skills of reading, writing, speaking and listening, the course also covers essential vocabulary and core skills that you need for IELTS. The vocabulary sections are separated into IELTS-related topics, making it easy for you to learn quickly. The core skills section covers every tense used in English, and looks at punctuation, advanced grammar, and other essential factors for IELTS. The course also has 15 complete practice tests in every membership. That's 15 listening tests, 15 reading tests, 15 writing tests, and 15 speaking tests. Every section of the course also has a notes option, so you can build your own record of learning as you study. All members also get an 800-page ebook and audio files to download and keep, an essential resource for your IELTS preparations. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to welcoming you to IELTS Test Online.